Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for an action that will occur in the future. When we think about what will happen in future is the simple future tense. In simple future tense there is a positive sentence, negative sentence and question. There is a subject and we use auxiliary verbs like will, shall and be going to in simple future tense. Now I will show you the picture. You have to observe the picture and you have to frame the sentence of simple future tense on your own. This is first image. When you observe an image, you will get an idea how to frame the sentence of simple future tense on your own. So start framing it. Time up. It will rain tomorrow. This is the sentence of this image. The word it is the subject. Rain is the main verb. Before main verb what will come? In simple future tense before main verb what will come? I am asking you. Before main verb in simple future tense auxiliary verb will come. Here the auxiliary verb is will. The auxiliary verb will shows you the future tense. Next, this is an image of PlayStation. You have to frame the sentence of simple future tense about PlayStation. Time up. I will go to PlayStation next week. This is the sentence of this image. The word I is the subject. Go is the main verb. Before main verb, auxiliary verb will is the future tense. The auxiliary verb will shows you the future tense. Next, this is an image of strawberry cream cake. Frame the sentence of simple future tense about strawberry cream cake. Time up. Sheetal is going to make strawberry cream cake after 2 days. This is the sentence of this image. Sheetal is the subject. Make is the main verb. Before main verb is going to is the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is going to shows you future tense. Students, when you frame the sentences of simple future tense, think about future like what will happen later on, afterwards, after next week, after 1 month, after 2 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, etc. etc. Now let us begin exercise. Change the verb into the correct form. Here in bracket they are giving any verb of any sentence. In bracket which verb is given, you have to change the verb into the future tense. Amanda dash in bracket win this game. Correct answer is Amanda will win this game. Next, they dash in bracket come at 7 o'clock. Correct answer is they will come at 7 o'clock. Next, it dash in bracket be very hot this summer. Correct answer is it will be very hot this summer. Next, this is the last one. You dash in bracket find your bag. Correct answer is you will find your bag. If you understood simple future tense grammar, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.